Are you at this time you are sleeping? It's not possible. Don't no. Get up from the bed. I don't want you.
That's the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Hey, let me get a minute. Hey, let me get one too.
Hey, let me hold one.
Yeah, you get that right there. What the dog do?
This is what happens to bad kitties. This is what happens when you don't pay attention to mommy and listen to her. Yeah.
I am convinced that there are only 3 types of pet. Might be on drugs, no thoughts, just vibes. Old god trapped in a mortal body.
Is that what oh my God, there's a bee coming out of that honey pot. She said, you know what? I don't want to live here no more. Okay, that's a bit dramatic, ma'am.
Toad? Whether you are super Toad or not, you cannot scare Ivar. Look at him. You okay? No.
So I got a call from my mom first thing this morning. She's like, can you come help get this raccoon off my porch? And I'm like, girl, this thing ain't moving. It moved from there to there, and now it's curled up on a french fry. What am I supposed to do?
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these 2 things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof.